So hey everybody, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I remodeled my laundry room. Let me just give you a little bit of backstory on that room. So we moved in this house about 6 years ago, and in between that time we had so many different projects going on pretty much at one time, because this house was a bank-owned house, and then throw in the fact that I had a young baby at home during that time also. That room just kind of got lost in the mix of it all. So my husband finished up the renovations of that room while I was actually in the hospital having my son. So that was about 4 years ago, because my son is 4 now. And so we haven't really changed anything since. And in that time period, I had never went in and, you know, added little touches to make it feel and also work efficiently. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you some of the before pictures from when we first moved into the house, so you can see how rough it was in here. There was really nothing here. And then this is after we had painted the room. And right here I'm just giving you a little bit of footage of my husband actually building up the laundry room. Him just showing you a couple pictures of that side cabinet of where we put the washer and dryer in. And there's the washer and dryer. So this is how it looks currently. Although it is fairly new, I'm just a little bit tired of the color and just the general decorations that are in here anyway. I think I want something that's a little bit more functional for me, as well as just more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And so I'm just, yeah, like I said, I'm over it. I'm over this color. This, if you guys notice, this color is the same color that's in our dining room, and it's in our hallway going up our stairs. So I just want to change it. I've been wanting to change this color for about, I would say, a year now, because I just stopped feeling happy when I walk through my door, because this is the door here that I walk through every day. Out here is my garage here, and so I just stopped feeling happy about walking through my door, and that's not something that you know, I want to feel happy every time I walk in. So, and again, I have a ton of coats up here, which some of these can get put away, but we are a family of 4, and this room also functions as a mud room. There's my purse there, and I put all the kids shoes and stuff down there in a bin. We still do have a piece of trim work that my husband hasn't put up there yet. I'm gonna see if I can get him to put that up as well, because I think that's the last piece in here. I really want to paint this a nice soft gray color, and I'm not going to be painting our cabinets because I still like these, but I do want to change this greeny color that's in here now to something a little bit more neutral, and then put some additional decorations up here that I like. I'm going to be getting rid of these teddy bears, I believe, and then these are just thrown up here. I don't even know. So yeah, this room catches a lot. As you can see, I have a random boot up here. My son, he threw it in the trash can or something, because I have one Lonely Hunter boot up here that yeah, wasted my money and threw it in recycling or something when he came in the house. I'm so mad. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that, I think, because I haven't found it. It's been like 2 months now, so it's just been sitting there. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. So yeah, and I am going to see what I can do with a small budget of, I'm gonna say, 80 bucks. See if I can get this done. That's paint and everything. So you guys know the paint's gonna be like 30 right off the bat, because I don't have any. So yeah, but this is a small room, so hopefully it won't be too bad to paint. Again, I'm gonna give you guys a look and see. This is all winter stuff. I need to find something to do with that, because I don't want to see that if we're not using it and it's just too much. So this is our pantry, because this house did not come with a pantry, so my husband put that in when we moved here. And so yeah, this room gets a lot of love, guys. So that is what all this looks like. So I am going to stop talking and I'm going to get to work. So now I'm about to tackle these cabinets. As you guys can see, they are full of stuff that I need to get organized. So yeah, let's get into this. From Dollar Tree, and these right here do have lids that go to them. They're just like the shoe boxes, but I like the color of these, and I also like the shape of them and the fact that they do have a lid and I can stack them if I need. So I went ahead and picked up 6 of these, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start to arrange my things. I also picked up 6 of these bins here, and these are from Five and Below. They were $5 each, so I spent a total of $30 on these, but it was money well spent because these are not only for storage but also for decorations. So I also picked up these storage bins from the Dollar Tree store, and I'm going to be using these to store like my powders and things like that. Okay guys, so I found these really cute vases here at Walmart, and they were on clearance for $3. I was so excited to find these. However, they didn't come with a top, so I'm gonna have to try to find something to replace that top. I'm going to be using these dessert cups that I found at the Dollar Tree for $1, and so I'm going to use this as my top. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this outside to spray paint, and this is just a 11 by 14 frame. Okay, for our drawer pulls, we went to Amazon, and I found these drawer pulls for $9. Alright guys, so I'm not going to be replacing these bins, but I was lucky enough to find a tag on one of mine, and these came from Walmart, and they're from the brand Mainstay. So if anybody is interested, and I think I picked these up for around $10 back in January, so you should still be able to find them there if you need them. Alright guys, so I'm going to be trying to store my drying rack inside of my dryer this time. I don't know guys, we'll see how it goes, but for now it keeps the room looking super clean, especially because I don't really have another place to store it. So yeah, I'm going to just leave it like this. And then you can see here on the sides here, I just put little milk glasses that I got from the Bath and Body Works store a while back. Just on the side here, I've taken all of my old like washing powder and things like that I used to store down there because I feel like it just made the space look a little bit cluttered. Okay guys, so down here I just added these little stickers, and they just say wash, and then down here a little further it says dry down there, and then you can see here back here there is my lint bucket. You can't see it because it's hidden, but that's my lint bucket. So it's nicely hidden but well coordinated as well. Box that I got from Burlington's on clearance because it was missing the little gem off the top of here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to replace that with just some E6000. But what I'm going to be using this box for is to store my dryer sheets. So I'm just going to be placing my dryer sheets in here, and I'm just going to pop them right inside of here. I'm not even going to take them out the box. Now to repair it, I'm just going to use this brooch that I picked up from Walmart. Right here, I'm just showing you the towels that I picked up from Walmart. I got these towels for 50 cents each. Yes. So I use these towels to go under my cat's bowl because he is a messy eater. And I do use this room for his bowl and water too. So I wanted to make sure everything matched. And guys, look, there's no more ugly wall there. The trim is up and it looks so good. So right here, I'm just showing you my extras. I just have my extra Tide washing machine cleaner, as well as my extra borax and things like that stored in this cabinet here. And so here, I'm just showing you that I have taken the glass out of my frame so that it doesn't break when that door opens. And I think this is a really nice solution for the problem, especially since I really wanted something on this wall. Guys, this tray is a DIY that I did a while back. If you haven't already, definitely check that out. I'll leave a link for you. This cute little laundry sign is from Home Goods and it was $5. And guys, I almost forgot to show you, these mats are from Dollar Tree and I just think they finish up the look of the room. You guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as hitting that notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.